In this video, we'll learn about the automation. How can we automate our program that it can run automatically? You don't need to go and manually run your program on daily basis. This video is regarding when you want to run a schedule or a script that on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, on a specific time. If you want to run on hourly basis, like if you want to run it after 1 hour on day, so you can do that by using a task scheduler, and you just need to write a script that it create the log that it is running in behind the scene. So if there is any error or any uh, problem related to that, it should create a log that we know that it's not run or it's run with some error, or if it run successfully, we should know that it created a log. So today what we're gonna do, I'm gonna create a simple small program that we are gonna run by using a task scheduler. And after that, we are going to create a log that it shows that it run on this time, and it started on this time and it's completed on this time. So stay tuned and let's get complete that. We'll write daily schedule schedule dot py and I'll write my uh, from date time. It is a date time library. We'll import date time, and after that I'll create a file that open the specific path. From a specific path we can open, so I'll use open, and I'll give a path of my folder. So I'll just go to the directory. I'll go to my automation folder. And this is my directory. If I copy this, I need to paste it here. Okay, and after that, uh, so this this may give you a Unicode error. That's why I use R here. And after that, we use a that it will append. Okay, now again, but it is created under what folder? The automation. But what we need to do is plus, and we'll write backslash backslash we'll write daily logs dot txt. So in this folder it create the daily log txt file, and whatever the logs will be created into txt file. This a is nothing but a append function. So whenever it run, it may run on daily basis multiple time, it may run on daily basis on a single time, but when we see a logs, it create a day by day logs, and it append one another after second one. So this is how we create. After that, what we're gonna do, we're gonna we're gonna write that file. We write something over there that we use f string over here, and I'll start writing started on which date. We need a date time, so I'll just use curly braces because we are using a date time dot now. So it will give you a time which it started. Okay, and after that I'll go and close my file. So file dot close, so it will close that file. After that, this is created. What is this program? It will tell you open the file log daily log txt, and after that we write the started on the date time now. So it will give you the time which it started running in, and it will close that file. Now what we're gonna do, we will create a simple program called sum, and I'll pass my variable a comma b, and I'll just return return a plus b. Okay, the function is created. I'll just use sum, sorry, cal is equal to sum, and I'll pass my a and b. So my a is 10 and my b is 11, so it should give me a 21 as a summation. So after that, I'm gonna create a same thing. I'll close my file. Open that file again. This is just a this is just the object we have created. Now I'll again open that file, and now I'll just write here completed, completed on, and I'll use, so it should write sum of A and B is, in curly braces, again use the can over there. Okay, our function is completed. Now you can see this is this is my function. You just need to save that. What it should create, it should create a text file, and it should write the function, uh, um output of that function and the date time when it completed. So I'll go to the my task scheduler. If you want, if you don't know how to go to the start, just write here a task scheduler. So it will, this is the task scheduler. You can just open that. I have already opened. So I'll go here and create a basic task. So click on that, and after that write automation here. I'll just write automation next. What if you want to trigger that program on daily basis? You can use the daily, weekly, monthly, one time, whenever the computer start, whenever we log on, when a specific event is logged on, we can do any kind of trigger. Okay, so I'll use one time because I just want to create this for specific time. For today I want to show you. I'll just write here 35 or 36, like 36 and 00. So my you can see the time and the date is matched with my, and just I'm taking a plus 3 minute. So here in action, what we want to create a, we want to start our program. So my program is in Python, so we need to use the Python. Wherever our Python is stored in our in laptop. So my Python, if you go Python file, means exe file. This is my exe file which is stored under this folder. So I'll just use this. Now add argument. Our add argument is nothing but my py file name, the project name. So daily schedule is my project name. I'll just use that. Daily schedule.py, and then we need the path of our folder. So this is my path of the folder. I'll just copy that. I'll come here and I'll press starting, means the where the my program file are stored. The This is my py file, and this is my Python install path. So next, then finish, and this is, I have created my task. Whenever the 36 is come, 11:36, it should run and it should create a file. So we'll wait here. We'll see does it create or not. So let's wait for like 30 second or 30 minutes, because within 30 second or 30 second, it will create, it should create a log file, txt log file, a daily log file. So if you like, if you understand this video what I have created, you can solve a big problem. You can save your time, because if you are running on daily basis or weekly basis, you can just give to the automation, because nowadays we are using automation in every aspect of our life. So use this skill, or it will save you a big chunk of time. And uh, it is very efficiently. You don't need to go every time and run manually one line by line, or you don't need to run manually. So okay, you can see this is the log file we have created. You can see started on that date and completed on this date, and the summation is 21. So our log is created. But what I have done here is, you can use a slash and backslash n, so it will create in every next line. So what you can do is just add some functionality to it, and it will create a completely good log. You can separate by giving a, just if you use, you can separate by just file dot write, okay, sorry. And here, if you pass the thing called this, you can separate that. You just need to give into the, okay. So it will separate that every time it creates a log, it will separate that. Okay, you just need to create your functionality as per your requirement. So it will solve a big problem. If you like this video, share with your friend, like, share, and subscribe. Your subscription make me create more videos. And thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned. Okay. Ah, just give me a second. I do need to know where is my. How can I stop this? I should need to stop. Okay, I'll